Welcome to another episode on crypto and stocks. Let's get started with the first news. So as you can see, there is a comparison here that is happening between Web 2 and Web 3. So in Web 2 we have Chrome browser, Google company, YouTube. The YouTube is there. Then there is a Google Drive. Then Zoom is there. Facebook, Twitter. These companies are there. WhatsApp is there. Upwork is there. So all these are centralized applications or the companies. But if you look at Web 3, you can see there is a Brave browser, which is competing with the Chrome, and that will be using the crypto basically. So people who are using the Brave, they might earn some money just for using the Brave browser, and websites that are linked to the Brave browser and crypto. Then next one is storage. So just like we have got a Google Drive, there is a storage in Web3 where you can store your documents, and it is a distributed application, basically a decentralized application. Then there is a Brave Talk, which is competing with Zoom. Then there is a Sapien and Steemit, which is competing with Facebook and the Twitter social media. And then there is a Status, which is competing with WhatsApp. And then final there is Crypto Jobs List, which is competing with Upwork. So as you can see, there are a lot of other firms or the applications that are coming in the decentralized space, which are competing directly with the centralized applications, and this might have wider impact in terms of the revenue these Web 2 companies like YouTube, Facebook, Google, these companies are earning. They will have a negative impact. That is what I see in next 5 to 10 years. The next news is about the Intel, and Intel has said that it would invest $20 billion to build 2 new plants in Ohio. So not just Ohio or the US, they are expanding in Europe, Asia, everywhere basically. So I see huge growth in this particular company. Then there is a news about the RIL, Reliance Industries. So Reliance Industries have declared the bumper results for the previous quarter. And as you can see, revenue is up by 53%, then EBITDA up by 30%, and PAT, that is profit after tax, is up by 38%. So really a good quality name from the Indian stock market. It's a very big company, but whenever they will demerge some of the companies like subsidiary companies, for example Jio, then Reliance Retail, there will be like huge that will be a wealth creation opportunity for the investors. The next news is about the Gland Pharma, and again the results have been really good, plus 30% consistent growth continues. So this is a growth stock if you want to invest. The next news is about the S&P 500 correction. So S&P 500 correction has happened, and minus 8.3%, it is down from its all-time high on January 4. And here they have given some of the previous declines. So since 2009 they have given like at what on which date this Nasdaq was down. Like as you can see, the last figure was 2009, and it was down by 5% on May 8, and then so on and so forth. So there have been various reasons why the stock market goes down, but if you are a long-term investors, then you don't need to worry about these particular fluctuations. In fact, you have to grab this opportunity and stay invested, actually ramp up your positions. Then there is a Visa FTX card is coming up, which will allow payments in crypto at millions of merchants worldwide with zero fees. Similarly, this cryptocurrency exchange have also tied up with Visa as well. So basically you can see Visa is tying up with lots of these exchanges, and Visa can't ignore this crypto space at all. The next news is about El Salvador. So 410 bitcoins they have bought just for $15 million, because they think that right now market is crashed, crypto market is crashed, Bitcoin is at discount, and that's the reason they have bought this Bitcoin, 410 bitcoins for just $15 million. The next is about the Amazon. People that are selling Amazon now down more than 20% from its high. So Amazon is down by 20% in recent market crash. The next news is about the BlackRock. So BlackRock is a reputed financial institution, and it has filed for the ETF to track performance of blockchain and crypto company focused index. Then Google for blockchain graph protocol. So just like we have a Google which you can use to query web, similarly there is a graph which you can use to query the blockchains and distributed apps. That's why I'm bullish on this graph protocol and graph coin. And the next, this is a very funny video which talks about the current market conditions. So they are riding with this on this cart basically, and it is driven by this bull. But as you can see, whenever there is a fear in the market, it gets crashed. So it is a really funny video that I wanted to share you. Then next news is about Tesla. So Tesla, people think that it is a just car company, car manufacturer, but it is not. They are also selling the insurance as well, and a lot of other things that are coming up. So that's the reason I'm very bullish on the Tesla. Next decade belongs to the Tesla. Next news is about some of the stocks which have corrected in the recent market crash, and they have given price to sales ratio. As you can see, the Zoom, the first stock price to sales ratio was 124, but currently it is 12. Then similarly, there is a DocuSign as well. So it was 42 all-time high price to sales ratio, but currently it is at 12. Then Twilio as well, it was 37%, which is right now at 13. So as you can see, currently they are reasonably valued, all the stocks. So if you have some money, go ahead and invest some money in these stocks. The next news is again about the Netflix. Netflix has also gone down by 20% from the all-time high, and right now is a good opportunity. They have also not. They have also declared the results which are not impressive. That's the reason stock that has got some hit by the investors. And then most of these stocks are down right now, and it's the best opportunity to ramp up some positions. That is the tweet that I have made. And along with the Netflix, there are a lot of other quality stocks that have also corrected, and one of the name is Nvidia. And here you can see how much people are investing in the crypto, like venture capital investment specifically. So in 2012, $100 million were invested in crypto space, but currently in 2021, the previous year, that particular investment was $30 billion. So massive investment has grown by the venture capitals into the crypto space. And then Facebook's parent company Meta is looking to launch NFT marketplace, just like how we have OpenSea. Facebook is also coming up with a new NFT marketplace where people can buy and sell NFTs, create NFTs, etc. And similarly, Twitter is also coming up with that idea. And finally, we have got Bank of Russia, which is planning to ban crypto trading, mining, crypto payments, etc., which is a negative news for the investors. But it is difficult to ban these particular blockchain and this kind of technology. It is just like internet. People can just block the websites, but they can't block internet, something like that. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in next one. Till then, have a good day and have a good time, and I'll see you. Bye.